do it!
Welcome back everyone, it is Amelia, I hope you are fine. Some of the best scenes in Obi-Wan Kenobi are when the show calls back to Revenge of the Sith. This series is essentially a direct sequel to the third film in the prequel trilogy, and despite the pressure of following up such a beloved story, Obi-Wan Kenobi exceeds expectations in this regard. Some of this has to do with getting both McGregor and Chris Hansen back. For a time, it wasn't clear if either would ever return to Star Wars, so Lucasfilm and Disney getting both of these actors back was a big feat. Without them, the series wouldn't work, and it's McGregor and Chris Hansen that are the true highlights of the miniseries. Some scenes in the finale of Obi-Wan Kenobi are evidence that this series is a perfect sequel to Revenge of the Sith. During their duel, Vader buries Obi-Wan under a pile of rocks, and while struggling to get to air, the Jedi has flashes of Anakin's demise on Mustafar, screaming and shouting in pain as he was being burned alive. He then remembers Leia and Luke, which gives him the hope and strength to push out and continue the fight. It's a scene that encapsulates both characters perfectly. Obi-Wan had lost almost all hope after the prequel trilogy, but found it again when meeting a young Leia. Anakin, meanwhile, had lost all sense of himself, abandoning his past and embracing the Darth Vader mantle. It shows how these characters' journeys intersect and also serve as inverses of one another. Many were expecting the Obi-Wan series to follow McGregor's Jedi with a young Luke Skywalker. However, the show flips the script, instead pairing Kenobi with a young Leia rather than Luke. It's a bold move, but one that works extremely well, not only within the context of the story of the show but also within the wider Star Wars galaxy. In A New Hope, Leia is clearly familiar with Obi-Wan, but the details of their relationship and what exactly she knows about him remain unclear. This series explains this, showing that Leia contacts Obi-Wan in episode 4 because he rescued her once. It's an added layer that ties the events of both stories together, making everything feel like one interconnected tale. One scene between Obi-Wan and Leia stands out above the rest. In the final, after Obi-Wan defeated Vader, he delivers Leia to her parents on Alderaan. Before going back into hiding, she shares some words with Leia, telling her of the specific ways in which she mirrors her mother and father, whom she asked Obi-Wan about in an earlier episode. Obi-Wan's parting message to Leia, telling her that she inherited the strongest qualities of both her mom and dad, is touching. It scratches the nostalgia itch for fans who grew up with the prequels, while also delivering a real and raw human moment. Leia doesn't know her parents and, in the eyes of Obi-Wan, shouldn't learn her father's identity. However, he tells her enough to satisfy her curiosity, which then makes her appreciate her adoptive parents even more. In telling her about Anakin and Padme, Obi-Wan is keeping their memory alive in some way, even after all the events of the series and the battle Kenobi had with the fallen Jedi. Give me some ideas related to my video in comments below if you like this video, and subs for more upcoming videos.